We have all been there. You pick up your phone to check one quick thing, and 20 minutes later, you have scrolled through 3 different apps and completely forgotten what you were doing in the first place. The Forest app is designed to stop that cycle. It lets you grow a virtual tree while you focus. Let me show you how to master it. On the home screen, you will see a seed and a timer. Just drag the dial to set your focus duration anywhere from 10 minutes up to 2 hours. For this example, I am going to set it to 25 minutes, which is a classic Pomodoro session. Before you plant, tap the tag at the bottom to label your session. You can choose from built-in categories like work, study, or exercise, or even create your own. I will go with work for this one. You can also select which species you want to grow. Just remember to choose one of the free options. Those are the ones without the crown icon. Now tap plant. Your tree is officially growing. As long as you stay inside the Forest app, it thrives. But the moment you leave to open Instagram, TikTok, or anything else, your tree dies instantly. It sounds simple, but the sense of guilt from watching something you cultivated wither away is actually a powerful motivator. When the timer ends, your tree is fully grown and added to your forest. You will also earn coins. The longer your session, the more coins you rack up. You can use those coins to unlock dozens of new tree species, or to do something even more meaningful, which I will explain in a moment. Forest offers 2 ways to run a session. First is timer mode, where you set a duration up front. This is perfect for Pomodoro sessions or blocking out specific chunks of time. Then there is stopwatch mode. You just start and go without any pressure from the clock. It runs until you manually stop it, making it ideal for open-ended tasks where you're not sure how much time you will need. For example, let's select stopwatch mode. Ensure deep focus is toggled on, hit plant, and you're off. If you try to open another app, Forest will send a notification. You can tap it to return to the app and save your tree, but the notifications will continue until you either finish the session or give up. Both modes count toward your total stats. I recommend starting small with 15 or 20 minute sessions and building up from there. But what if you need to use Spotify or a reference tool while you work? By default, opening any other app kills your tree, but you can whitelist the apps you genuinely need. Go to Settings, then the App Allow list, and toggle on anything essential to your workflow, like music players or calculators. This is a pro feature on Android and requires iOS 16 or above on iPhone. Now tap the menu bar in the top left and select the Forest tab. This is your visual record. Every tree you have successfully grown is arranged here by day, staying in your forest permanently. You can switch the view from daily to weekly, monthly, or even yearly. Watching this space fill up over time is genuinely motivating. In the Timeline tab, you can see a detailed history of your sessions, including the dates and whether you succeeded or failed. Next is the Mindful space. This is where you can relax to the sound of rustling leaves. You can set a timer for these ambient sounds, and they will continue to play even if you go to your home screen. There is also a breathing exercise icon that guides you through calming breaths following the visual on the screen. The Tags tab allows you to sew your default labels, but back to those coins. Head over to the store where you can spend them on new plant species to personalize your forest. The best way to spend your earnings, though, is by tapping Real Forest. For 2,500 coins, you can plant a real tree through Forest's partner organization, Trees for the Future. Forest users have planted over 1.5 million real trees since 2016. Every session you complete literally contributes to global reforestation. You are limited to 5 real trees per user, though they occasionally run events for more, so keep an eye on their social media. Just note that this feature requires a Plus upgrade. That is the Forest app. Set a timer, pick a tag, plant a tree, and stay off your phone. Your coins grow your virtual forest and plant real trees in the world, while your stats show exactly where your focused time is going. You can download Forest from the App Store or Google Play. It is free on Android and a paid app on iOS with a free trial. If this guide helped you out, drop a like, and I will see you in the next one.